Hello all, welcome in this video session. Today our discussion topic is CWIP. So this is capital work in progress. This is very important term for any company. Basically what is CWIP? It represents the cost incurred to date on a fixed asset which is still under construction on the balance sheet date. Fine. Our main target is to minimize the CWIP on the date of the balance sheet. Okay. How is the capital work in progress calculated? Now why CWIP becomes very important is because CWIP is used in the computing the fresh cash flow for a company. What is the FCF? FCF represents the cash a company generates after accounting for cash outflows to support operation and maintain its capital assets. How can we calculate this CWIP? Okay, so first process is to execute the transaction code AR02, in which you need to choose the asset class 4100. Basically the asset from the asset class 4100 comes under the CWIP. Fine. And the second one is JPS underscore WCAP. This is the customized transaction code for our company. You can design your own customized transaction codes for the computation of this CWIP. Okay, so we are going to execute the transaction code AR02. This is a generalized transaction code in SAP to get the asset register. Okay, fine. This is our company code. This is the asset class 4100. You can go in the drop down. This is 4100 AUC general. I'm just going to calculate AUC general. AUC buildings is 3900. AUC machinery is 4000. I'm just going to calculate AUC general. For this asset class is 4100. Fine. The business area, our plant code is 3002. Okay, and we need to execute this transaction code. See, this is the all the AUC assets as per financial year. Okay, you have to select this column current book value and click on this sort in the descending order. See, these are the highest to lowest value. Okay, these are the column from highest to lowest value. These are the asset number, AUC asset number, or CWIP asset number. Okay, so you can fetch this list and capitalize these CWIP value in the respective assets. So your book value increased by this amount and your CWIP amount in this current financial year will minimize. Okay, how can you calculate, how can you just reconnect to this CWIP assets to respective capital estimates? The second option is there. Okay, this is customized transaction code JPS underscore WCAP. Okay, here you need to fill your plant code, that is business area code 3002, and you need to select Open WBS, because Open WBS are those projects in which currently work in the progress. Okay, you need to click on execute. Yes, this is the JPS underscore WCAP report. This is the AUC amount. You can select this column and click on the sort in the descending order. Fine. See, this is the highest amount AUC asset 2334000. In our AR02 report, this is 2334000. 166904. This is the respective assets, CWIP assets, and this is the respective WBS. This is the IM node, and this is the budget amount, and this is the second highest CWP value, CWIP value 1669054. In your AR02 report, this is 1669054. So you can calculate, you can extract this report for your analysis purpose, okay? And using the second report, this is the ZPS underscore WCAR, you can find out those respective WBS that corresponds to this CWIP assets, and as soon as possible you just capitalize this CWIP value in respective assets, so your books value will increase. And it's very important for any company to minimize its CWIP value. Hope you understand. If you have any query in your mind or any suggestion in your mind, please mention in the comment sections, and also reach us at erpsapteam1@gmail.com. okay, so thanks for watching this SAP video tutorial. Okay, and if you're still new in our YouTube channel ERP SAP team, please subscribe our YouTube channel and don't forget to press the bell icon. Okay, it's my humble request with all the viewers, please share this knowledge with your colleagues and friends, because knowledge sharing is caring. Okay, once you share the knowledge, it will spread a lot amongst your learners. Okay, have a nice day.